Hi, my wonderful students. I miss you. I hope you're all in good health and I hope you're not super stressed or super bored. Um, we still do not have many details about how we're supposed to finish the session, but we are supposed to finish it. And I think that they're leaving it up to each teacher to decide how they want to finish the semester. So, if you have decided that you want to finish your courses and you're not going to drop, for me, for the English, you will need the following. And this applies to all of you who are in ZP1 and those of you who are in 102. You're all going to need My eLab, where we've been doing grammar. So for the ZP1s, it's your product is called My eGrammar, right? And for the 102s, you guys need Avenues 3, the skills book and the grammar book. You're also going to need to watch Colnet, where I will be asking you to email me Word documents. Those will be your final assignments, and there won't be many of them, but you have to have Word and you have to be able to upload it to Colnet and email it to me. Okay? You need to have access to Moodle, where I'm going to be posting all of the homework and some videos like this. Okay? Um, you need to have YouTube to have access to it so that you can see these videos that I'll be recording. And finally, I will, starting in about a week, I'll start using either Zoom or Microsoft Teams so that we can communicate more like a real classroom and have a little mini class. And our classes, there won't be many, and I'll probably make them about 1 hour long. That's all I'm going to be doing. So if you decide to stay and not drop the course, I'll try to make it as painless and quick as possible. I'm going to cut a number of small assignments, but there still will be the grammar online, some assignments you'll have to write on Word at home and email me to me. And finally, there'll be a few orals where you'll have to record yourself and send me a link in YouTube. The one that I'm going to recommend is using this program called Screencast-O-Matic, which you can do for free. Screencast-O-Matic. I'll send you the details in a Colnet message. But you could use any other program as well, as long as you can send me a video of your orals. So this, guys, is a test. I'm going to send it right now, and I'll write out a Colnet message with the first homework that I'd like you to start. I'm going to give you lots of time to get these things done because I know it's been crazy. And I'll send you the details. Okay, more soon. Bye.